Welcome back to Motor Insight, your trusted garage for two-wheeled reviews and electric revolutions. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a machine that's redefining the junior motocross scene, the 2025 KTM SX-E 5. Fully electric, race-ready, and built for young riders with big ambitions, this is KTM's answer to the future of mini motocross. Design and build quality. The 2025 KTM SX-E 5 holds true to KTM's aggressive design language. It looks sharp, lean, and ready to rip. Built around a durable chromium molybdenum steel frame and finished with slim bodywork, it mimics the full-size SX lineup. The seat height remains adjustable, catering to younger riders progressing in skill. KTM's signature orange plastics and race-inspired graphics wrap it up with a professional, high-performance feel. Performance and powertrain. Powered by a 48V lithium-ion battery and an electric motor delivering up to 5 kilowatts, the SX-E 5 offers instant torque with zero hesitation. With no clutch or gearbox to manage, acceleration is smooth and consistent, giving young riders more control. KTM's multiple ride modes allow tuning of power delivery based on rider experience, making it equally suited for beginners and competitive mini motocross racers. Suspension and handling. Suspension is handled by WP-zacked forks in the front and a WP shock in the rear. The setup is fully adjustable and built to take the hits typical of junior motocross tracks. Handling feels nimble, and the low center of gravity makes cornering intuitive. The chassis geometry complements quick directional changes, with excellent stability in jumps and landings. Battery and range. The battery pack is compact yet capable, offering about 2 hours of mixed riding on a full charge. Charging takes roughly 70 minutes to get from empty to 100% with the included fast charger. While runtime may vary depending on ride mode and terrain, KTM ensures battery performance remains consistent with built-in management systems to avoid overheating or power dips. Safety and features. Safety features include a rollover sensor, handlebar-mounted kill switch, and a power lockout when charging. Parents or trainers can fine-tune power output through the under-seat control panel, adding a layer of security for less experienced riders. The adjustable seat height, pegs, and brake lever placement make it a bike that grows with its rider. Verdict. The 2025 KTM SX-E 5 proves electric motocross is more than just a trend. It's a serious training tool, race machine, and eco-friendly alternative wrapped in KTM's proven design DNA. Whether you're a parent looking to introduce your kid to the sport or a young racer stepping into the competitive scene, the SX-E 5 offers everything in a quiet, low-maintenance package. Thanks for tuning in to Motor Insight. Don't forget to subscribe for more two-wheeled reviews, and we'll catch you on the next ride.